Hey, it's Al with leadinglandlord.com. I failed. I have a vacancy, and I think that's inexcusable if you're doing extended stays like I'm doing, because I have plenty of time. I think one of my systems failed as far as me being on the offense and finding bookings ahead of time. So it slipped through, and now I got to do something about it. So one thing I did is I'm trying to bring out the features of this particular unit here. Let me show you around real quick. This real simple unit here. By the fact that I put in these air purifiers, let me show you. These are air purifiers, and I put these filters in. As you can see, it's darker now. It used to be white, so it's time to replace this. So we've had a lot of wildfires here in Sacramento, California, and it's smoky outside right now too. So this is one of the few places that you could come and breathe easy, because the smoke kind of permeates into the window. So I was advertising this place as an allergy-free place, trying to bring out that unique feature of it. But now I'm going to change that headline to relief from smoky skies, or relief from wildfire smoke. So that's the tactic, is to call out the current event, and so that when people are scrolling through the listings, and they can see why you deserve an extra premium, or they can just prefer you over the competition. There's our signature world map. I'm always a big fan of white bed covers. This is a simple unit. Let me show you. There's our bathroom. White towels, of course. Very simple. And hair dryer, wall mounted. Okay, so these types of changes, these types of title manipulations are all presented in something called Marketing School for Extended Stays, because marketing is so important to keep your place filled, so that you can actually create the net income, not the gross, but the net income that you need to achieve your financial goals. So if you're interested in that course, I'll leave a link for it in the notes below. But anyway, look at updating your listings if you have a vacancy on your hand. Try to call out a current event and see if that gives you a little more spice. All right, subscribe if you want more tips.